Zendrop Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Zendrop, a dropshipping platform that promises to streamline the e-commerce process. Links to the product are in the description below. Zendrop is designed primarily for entrepreneurs looking to start or scale their dropshipping businesses with ease, offering a wide range of features that make product sourcing, order fulfillment, and shipping more efficient. One of Zendrop's key features is its extensive product catalog, which includes high-quality products from reliable suppliers. The platform makes it easy to import products directly to your online store with just a few clicks. The best part is that Zendrop handles product sourcing and fulfillment, which takes a lot of the legwork out of running a dropshipping business. You don't have to worry about stock, storage, or shipping. Zendrop takes care of it all. Zendrop also excels in its shipping speeds. Unlike many dropshipping platforms, which rely on suppliers in overseas locations that can cause long shipping times, Zendrop partners with suppliers who ship from the US and other locations with faster delivery times. This is a huge advantage for businesses looking to offer quicker shipping to their customers, helping you stay competitive in today's market. Another standout feature is Zendrop's branding options. The platform allows you to add your logo to products and packaging, offering a more professional and personalized experience for your customers. This is a great way to stand out from the competition and build brand loyalty. Zendrop also provides solid customer support, offering live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. Whether you need help with order management, troubleshooting, or product sourcing, Zendrop's support team is ready to assist. In conclusion, Zendrop is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking for a user-friendly, efficient dropshipping platform with fast shipping, branding options, and great customer support. If you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business, Zendrop is worth considering. Check the description for links to get started.